Hey friends, in this video let's demonstrate how we can package JavaScript for AWS Lambda. The code that I am packaging is connecting to a DynamoDB table. Let's create a new function. Let's use a blueprint so we get the right permissions. Let's use a DynamoDB table with NodeJS. Let's call it myTestFunction. And the role here, create a new role, myTestRole. And we are gonna skip API gateway and create the function. Let's create the DynamoDB table. So let's open a new tab here. Create table. Here we have the name. The partition key is ID. And create. AWS has this option to upload from a zip file, but it will not work out of the box if you're using something like Babel to build your project. Let me demonstrate. Let's start by building the project. Let's then open up Finder and let's package everything except source, which we should not need. So we just compress it. And let's upload the file here. One thing to note is that this included redundant npm packages. Let's come to that later. Let's test this out and see what happens. Let's try to get all tasks. We go into test and have a new event, get. And here is the payload. And we save it and we test it. There is an error, so let's look at that. Cannot find module index. Here is a very important point in the AWS Lambda documentation. The index file must be in the root of the zip file. This means for our project, we want the contents of the dist folder in the root plus the production node modules. Doing this manually can be error prone and time consuming, so let's bash script this from the start. Here is my build script. It can surely be optimized. Let's take a look at it. We remove the prod build folder. We install, we run build. We remove node modules to install production node modules. We create the prod build folder again. We copy into it the node modules and then the dist folder flattened out. We go into the prod build folder and we zip it. Let's run it. Let's copy the new version into Lambda. Upload. Go into prod build and select the zip file. We save it. We go into the test folder and we try our test again, hoping the best. Alright, it's working. Great success. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please add a comment if you'd like me to take this further, for example to add a build pipeline around this. Thank you.